Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ainoruel D. Dusma from DPA 1A, and I'm the leader of the Group 4 in Physical Fitness. And I explain about the mobility. So, mobility, in the context of physical education, refers to the range of motion at a joint. It's essentially how far you can move your limbs and body parts in different direction without pain or restriction. So, mobility, how it works. Number 1, joints. Our bodies have many joints like knees, elbows, shoulders, and hips. Each joint allows for a specific range of movement. And next is muscle and ligaments. Muscle and ligaments surrounding the joints help control and limit the movement. Other one is mobility. Mobility is how much you can move a joint within its normal range. There are some examples of the mobility. Number 1 is shoulder mobility. How far you can raise your arm overhead, reach behind your back, or rotate your arm in a circle. Number 2 is hip mobility. Hip mobility, how far you can bend forward, swing your leg to the side, or rotate your hips. And last is ankle mobility. Ankle mobility, how far you can point your toes up and down or move your foot from side to side. So, why mobility is important? So, mobility is important to prevent injury or injury prevention. Good mobility helps muscles and joints move freely, reducing the risk of strains and sprains. Number 2, improved performance. Greater mobility allows for better movement and coordination in sports and activities. How to improve our mobility? To improve our mobility, we do stretching. Regular stretching exercises help lengthen muscles and increase range of motion. Then next is yoga. Yoga poses focus on flexibility and range of motion. The other one is dynamic warm-ups. This movement prepare your body for activity by gently increasing mobility. So mobility is kinahanglan gyud po nato pamatiyo na tong kaugalingon, di na to pugso na tong mga lihok para maka-cause of pain. Then consistency is the key. Regular mobility exercises are essential for maintaining good flexibility. Then ang last is warm up before. Mao ni important. Always warm up your muscles, our muscles, before stretching to avoid injuries. More, sir, and thank you.